This session will help you in understanding the role of WTO in promoting international trade. When we talk about WTO, first thing that comes to our mind is what is WTO. So WTO is an institution created with an objective to ensure free and fair trade. It facilitates negotiation of trade agreement between member countries, which essentially aims at arriving at a set of rules and regulations that will govern global trade. It also ensures implementation of these trade agreements between member countries and also helps in dispute settlement between member countries of WTO. WTO is based on few principles, and these principles are: first is non-discrimination, which means that a country should neither discriminate its trading partners nor between local and manufactured goods, services, and nationals. The other principle of WTO is liberal trade. One of the simple ways to ensure free trade is to reduce the import duties or trade barriers. Therefore, when we say WTO is responsible for free trade, it constantly works to ensure that member countries bring down the tariff barriers. Nowadays, countries have come up with many non-tariff barriers like import bans, technical standards to restrict trade. Such type of barriers are known as non-tariff barriers. Thus, one of the objectives of WTO is to ensure that global trade is more open and there are less tariff and non-tariff barriers. The other principle of WTO is transparency. Smooth trade will happen when trade policies and barriers will be predictable and stable. Moreover, such policies will facilitate not only trade but also investment, thereby creating more job opportunities and more competition, due to which consumers can have access to wide variety of goods at low price. The other principle is fair trade. Dumping and subsidies are very common words these days, wherein countries indulge in unfair trade practices. WTO provides rules and regulations how such unfair trade practices can be addressed. WTO also works on the principle of special privileges. Three-fourths of WTO member countries are developing countries and countries in transition. Moving towards more open economy will be detrimental to their growth. Therefore, more transition period is given to them to adjust the unfamiliar and difficult WTO provisions. Agreement of WTO has special provisions for these countries. Last principle of WTO is concern for environment. On one hand, WTO agreement permit members to take measures to protect the environment, public health, animal health, and plant health. WTO also ensure that member countries do not use environmental protection measures as a protectionist policy. Hope this session helped you in understanding basic principles of WTO. Do watch out for more videos on various agreements of WTO. Thank you. In case of any query, you can write to me at alphamya@gmail.com.